wondering what's going on here. And we've done something that a lot of people have tried to do, and a lot of people are still trying to do, even larger corporations. And that is basically cloning the CS voice, one for one, as it should be done, in order so that we can restore and preserve original CS synthesizers, such as the CS60 you see here, as well as perhaps turn this into something else at some point in the future. As you may be aware, when Yamaha built these polysynths, they ranked and selected groups of oscillator chips so that they all matched and they all had the same drift characteristics. So that, like a choir, when the thing drifted, all of the oscillators would drift together so that it wouldn't sound out of tune. That problem is completely eliminated with the new design, based on the original but much improved. You can see here we created a small test console which basically mimics the CS circuitry internally and how it drives the voice cards, so that we could develop our own voice card that replaces this one for one. We painstakingly looked at every detail and every behavior of the original CS card, all of the strange glitches and the waveforms and stuff like that, how the envelopes behave, how the filters behave, how the filters distort, and we have replicated it using discrete circuitry, and we're very, very proud of what we've managed to accomplish. During our tests of this, we mixed and matched our circuit board alongside the original CS boards in a synthesizer, and we were unable to, with blind listening of multiple people and everything else, tell which card was being active. And just as an example, you can see here, this is a plot of the filter response. The Yamaha filter is in yellow and our filter is in blue. Basically, these things are right on top of each other. When you move the controls, everything tracks. We used various test equipment and various tried and true techniques to compare and contrast the originals to our new card, and really worked hard to get every detail right. And the most important thing is that we managed to get the tuning stable beyond, I think, Yamaha's wildest dreams and expectations, if I dare say that. We've managed to develop a card which has such unprecedented tuning stability at this point across the entire range of the keyboard that I even surprised, we even surprised ourselves here. I can show you that this CS60 here is fully populated with 8 of our voice cards in place of the originals. The rest of the synthesizer is still comprised of the original Yamaha circuitry and components, so everything else still works the same as, and will work the same as expected, because it's still original. So I can give you a quick demonstration here. You are hearing the RetroLinear design oscillator circuit, which replicates the behavior of the original Yamaha IG153 chip. Our discrete filter, which replicates the behavior of the Yamaha IG156 chips. Our envelope circuit, which replicates the behavior of the original Yamaha chips, and a wave shaper circuit. Our cards identically tune and calibrate to the original Yamaha service manual, so that you don't have to learn anything new in order to tune and calibrate these boards. We've added convenient LEDs to the board so you can see which ones are triggering. You know which one to tune. The signal path is completely analog. There's no digital anything in the audio path from the oscillators all the way through the VCAs on the output. Oh, by the way, the ribbon controller works too.